In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Jira epic. If you're managing a project using Atlassian's Jira software, you might occasionally find a need to clean up your backlog by deleting epics that are no longer relevant or necessary. Whether you're freeing up space or simply ensuring the accuracy of your project tracking, this process is straightforward yet essential knowledge for any Jira user. Today, I will guide you step by step through this process so that you can confidently manage your projects. First, you'll need to navigate to your Jira dashboard. If you haven't already, log into your Jira account. Upon successful login, you will find yourself on the Your Work dashboard. Here, you'll see organized lists of your recent activity, tasks assigned to you, and projects you're currently working on. This dashboard is your launching point for navigating through Jira's environment. Now look towards the menu on the left-hand side where you can find various sections of Jira. You'll see an option labeled Projects. Click on this to display a list of all the projects you are currently associated with. This centralized view helps you keep all your work organized and accessible in one place. From the project list, select the project that contains the epic you intend to delete. Ensuring you're in the correct project is crucial, as we're aiming to both keep your project management clean and avoid unintentional deletions. Once you click on the project name, you will be directed to its specific dashboard, which presents an overview and options related to the selected project. Next, from the project dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the backlog section. This is a key area where many of your project's planning activities will take place. It's located on the left-hand menu under the options corresponding with your project. Clicking on backlog will open a detailed view of the current status of tasks, stories, and epics, giving you a clear overview of what's on your plate. In the backlog section, your active epics are often displayed on the left panel or at the top, depending on your Jira configuration. You'll need to search for the specific epic you wish to delete. Review the title and details to ensure you're selecting the correct item for deletion. This step is crucial as it helps prevent any errors in handling your project's tasks. Once you have identified the correct epic, hover over it to reveal additional options. You should see the 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More Actions menu. Click on these dots to pull down a menu with further options related to your epic. This menu provides all the necessary actions you can conduct upon the selected item. Upon clicking the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear offering several options. Look for the delete option within this list. It's important to make a conscious decision here because once an epic is deleted, it's permanently removed from the project. If you're absolutely sure that the epic in question is no longer needed, proceed to click the delete option. After selecting delete, you might encounter a confirmation dialog box. This step acts as a safeguard, ensuring that this action is indeed what you intend to perform. Deleting an epic will also remove any associated stories and tasks linked to it, so double check all the data and ramifications. Once you review the confirmation box and are ready, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And there you have it, your selected Jira epic has now been successfully deleted. Take a moment to refresh your backlog interface to see the changes and confirm the deletion. Removing unnecessary items in your backlog not only keeps your workspace tidy, but also enhances the accuracy and efficiency of your project management. Keeping thorough documentation or notes of deletions may also serve as a helpful reference in your future project audits. In conclusion, managing your Jira board with regular cleanups ensures sustainable workflow practices and precise project tracking, and keeping your backlog up to date is a big part of that. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and informative. Deleting an epic in Jira might seem intimidating at first, but with practice it becomes a seamless part of your project management process. Thank you for watching, and if you have any additional questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.